In this video, we're going to change the rear tail lights on my 96 Ford Econoline van from this to this. These tail lights are actually incredibly easy to remove, and it is just 4 T15 little screws. And now the light will just slide right off, and it's just 2 connectors. And the bottom one, you probably could just remove it by twisting the bulb holder off. However, this one will run into the light housing, and you can't really get it off without removing the connector. But be careful not to break the tabs. As you can see, this one is already broken. It's super common on these Fords. They like to break, especially when they're older. And there we go. Might as well go ahead and just clean up some of the dirt around here. Here are the original taillights, and as you can see, the seals have kind of gotten hard. Like, they're a little bit flexible, but it's almost like a plastic when they should be a rubber. And these are the new ones that I'm going to install. Pretty spiffy, and these are DOT SAE approved. And check out these seals. They're all nice, brand new rubber. And of course, I'll have a link to these lights down in the description below if you're interested. But we'll go ahead and peel off the tape on here. And they are marked left hand, and then the other one in the box is right hand. Pull the bulb holders out. This one is the reverse light, and this one is the brake light, tail light, and turn signal, actually. All right, here's the new housing, and hopefully these fit. The gray one with the single filament bulb goes on the clear lens. Goes around there, no problem. And then the black one with the dual filament goes on the red one. Like that. And it's kind of interesting, this middle one literally has nothing in it. But something interesting about these is they do have reflectors on the back and the sides. Okay, now we can plug them in and hopefully have enough room. It's a little bit of a stretch. So we're going to cut back the tape on this harness just a little bit, just to give the wires a little bit more slack. Make sure the seal is on properly all the way around, and it should just slide right on. Install the 4 screws. And you don't need to like crank them down because it's just plastic. We don't want to crack these new lights. Just enough to kind of hold them down. You'll feel it kind of stop, and that's as far as you really need to go. Like right there. They're basically like a wood screw that goes into a little metal bracket. I'll show you guys the difference between the two. Here are the regular tail lights. Here are the brake lights, turn signals, and here are the reverse lights. Tail light, brake light, flashers, reverse light. Now we got both of them installed. Super easy to do, and I think they look pretty neat. Maybe not everybody's cup of tea, but I think they look cool. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will catch you next time. Peace out.